It's 7 p.m. in Wyoming, 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday, 10th of September 2019. And Steamboat Geyser is going to erupt this coming Thursday at 9:37 a.m. It's going to go off with a major eruption, a reflection of something. Everything is a reflection of something. Steamboat Geyser equals 175. Here's a reflection right here. 17.5 degrees in Sydney. Steamboat Geezer equals 175. And Hurricane Dorian equals 158. Hurricane Dorian. And Hurricane Lorenzo equals 202. So if you write out the word hurricane, it has a value of 97. Lorenzo has a value of 105, so add them together, 202. Dorian is 61. Add that to 97, 158. 37 km per hour wind in Hobart and 15.8 degrees. Hurricane Dorian. A monster, a destroyer, a demon. Lorenzo, Dorian, and there's a third one. I've known Lorenzo since the start. I didn't get Dorian. But what's the third one? Because there's triplets. I was thinking Jerry a couple of days ago. Because I thought, well, identical triplets, they all have to be boys, right? Humberto will be the next named storm. There's a clue in Steamboat what it's done in the past. There were successive major eruptions on Friday the 26th of April and Friday the 13th of September in 2002. This coming eruption is going to be at 1:37 a.m. in Canberra on Friday the 13th. So it's reflecting something that's happened before. It's 11:02 now, Wednesday, September 11, 2019. Okay, so an eruption of Steamboat at 37 minutes past 1 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on Friday the 13th. It'll be 9:37 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Thursday the 12th of September 2019 in Wyoming. 16 hours difference. Bad Mirror Boy, 140. I Am Selwyn, Sexy Martin. The bad triplet mirror sign of triplets. Bulb is 37, Mountain Daylight Time, MDT equals 37. 37 minutes past the hour. A different hour depending where you are. The next major eruption of Wyoming Steamboat Geyser is coming at 9:37 Wyoming time, or 1:37 Australian Eastern Time. It'll be 1:37 a.m. in Canberra. Triplets reflected in the mirror. 3 daffodils, 3 beautiful daffodils, equals 229. Dorian, Imelda, and Lorenzo, the identical triplets. Beautiful but evil. Beautiful vandals, destroyers. So 2019, that's the year we're in. It's the year of 3. It's the year of Trinity, triplets, the triplet sign. Imelda isn't really a girl. She's the identical triplet brother of Dorian and Lorenzo. You see. Bad Mirror Boy. $17.5 in Sydney. Steamboat Geezer. 20.2 in Brisbane. Hurricane Lorenzo. 15.8 in Hobart. Hurricane Dorian. 37 km per hour wind. September 11. It's the peak of hurricane season today. It's around now anyway. Atlantic hurricane season. Australia's coming out of winter. We just had crazy winds 2 days ago, but it's calming down now. Wedge-tailed eagle. 125 is the value of wedge-tailed eagle. September is the 9 month. It's 12.5 degrees in Canberra. Still 15.8 in Hobart. Hurricane Dorian, 158. The Storm Boy is 160. 16 and 19. Melbourne, 16 degrees, 19 km per hour wind. Steamboat Geyser. It erupted at 2:34 on Tuesday the 3rd of September. It's going to erupt again at 9:37 on Tuesday. No. If it was Tuesday, that would be today. Tuesday, the 20th of August, Tuesday, the 27th of August, Tuesday, the 3rd of September. If it was to go off on a Tuesday again, that would be about now-ish. In fact, it would be now. It's 7:06 Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday, 10th of September in Wyoming. So if it went off now, it would be 4 Tuesdays in a row. It's not going to go off today. And it's not Jerry. Jerry equals 76. The triplet bad boy is not Jerry, it's Imelda. So it's Thursday, the 12th of the 9th. Thursday, the 12th of September, and the time is 9:37. Hurricane, 97, and there's 3 of them. Beautiful is 97, and there's 3 of them. They're triplets. 3 beautiful daffodils, the identical triplets, Dorian, Imelda, and Lorenzo. It's a reflection. 3 angelic boys, and they're bad mirror boys. You see, they're angels. Angels have their demons. Not easy to manage your demon if you're a powerful angel, because it means you've got a powerful demon. Makes life quite challenging in some ways. Angel, 39, boy, 42. Angel boy. And how do you manage your demon? Well, it depends. Everyone's different. Honesty goes a long way, but it's hard to be honest in a world that promotes dishonesty. Mountain Daylight Time, 7:07. 7:08 now. On Tuesday, 10th of September 2019. So if it was to go off, Steamboat Geyser, if it was to erupt with another major eruption any time in the next 7.5 hours, it would be 4 Tuesdays in a row, and that would ruin the whole thing that I'm saying. The reflection of 3 Tuesdays in a row, we can catch up next Thursday at 1 p.m. That was Martin's message on my birthday, 27th of April. Well, his birthday was last Friday, so next Thursday is tomorrow, the 12th of September, 2019. We can catch up next Thursday at 1 p.m. Actually, the time is going to be 1:37 a.m. in Canberra. 11 years and 8 months was Jake's age. It's now 11:09 a.m. on Wednesday, September 11 in Canberra. It's 7 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes since the last eruption of Steamboat Geezer in Wyoming, where the time is now 7:09 p.m. on Tuesday, the 10th of September 2019. Another way to check the time is just to look at the rain radar. It's kind of handy because it has universal time on here. It might not be exactly to the minute accurate, but this last image is saying it's from 22:30 universal time coordinate. It's a bit older because it's a satellite photo. If we come in onto a location like Port Hedland, where it's not raining, so it's really nothing to look at, It's all good. It shows 11/9/19. It's 1 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. So that's like 1 a.m. Universal Time. And in Western Standard Time, that's 9 a.m. 1 a.m. is 9 a.m. 1 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated is 9 a.m. Western Standard Time. So it depends where you are. Time depends where you are. But if we go up to Queensland, where hopefully there's some showers, given all the bushfires they've had, well, Universal Time is the same. It's 1 Universal Time Coordinated. It's the 11th of September 2019. And the local time is 11 Eastern Standard Time. September 11, 11/9. It kind of symbolizes Nathan Breeze, 119. Nathan Breeze, Jacob Wettling. 2 angel boys, and then I realized they've got a bad mirror boy. Each of them's got a bad mirror boy, and they've got a mirror boy, an identical triplet in Martin. So 3 angelic boys. Each of them has their bad mirror boy, their demon boy, who they've got to try and manage. And their demons are being reflected in these hurricanes. Powerful angels have powerful demons, you see. Managing them is not easy because they imitate the angels. That's what demons do. They imitate angels, in case you haven't noticed. It can be hard to tell the difference sometimes. Makes life tricky. Makes the world a hard place to negotiate. 158, Hurricane Dorian. 71 is Gabrielle. Oh, and that reminds me. 7 days, 16 hours, 37 minutes. So it's 37 minutes in the time since Steamboat last erupted. The next eruption is going to happen at 37 past. So 71. The beehive went off 7 hours and 1 minute ago. 71 is Gabrielle. I talked about her a lot. Here's something interesting about Gabrielle. Elsewhere in the Atlantic, never say die, Tropical Storm Gabrielle is holding its own after having been reclassified as a post-tropical cyclone at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. That was Martin's birthday. Gabrielle died at 5 a.m. on Martin's birthday, September 6. Gee, I wonder who the bad mirror boy is. Well, it was then reclassified, as in Tropical Storm Gabrielle died and then was reclassified 6 hours later. She came back to life. So she died. Tropical Storm Gabrielle died for 6 hours on September 6, Martin's birthday. Yeah, pretty weird, hey? Gee, I wonder who the bad mirror boy is. Well, Lingling, Duckling, Wetterling, Little One. It's kind of weird. Reflections. Angel is 39. Yiming is 73. Yiming Yuan, 24. Three beautiful bad boys. $62 is the value of Canberra. Three potential systems brewing. A news story. And now, heat in Hawaii. Okay, so let's have a look, because at the moment you wouldn't know what system's going to be what. 3 yellow crayon areas in the Atlantic to watch on September 10. Yellow crayon areas. Yellow. Daffodil. The colour of the daffodil. That's weird. Reflections. So, which one's going to be Humberto, which one's going to be Imelda, and which one's going to be Jerry? Which one's going to be Jerry? Or, if one of them dies, then, you see, the next one gets that name. If one fails, the name goes to the next system. Tropical Storm Gabrielle was declared post-tropical at 11 AM Eastern Daylight Time on Tuesday. Far from any land areas, Gabrielle was heading northeast into the cold waters of the North Atlantic graveyard for tropical cyclones. Moisture from Gabrielle's remnants will reach the northern United Kingdom on Thursday, the 12th of September, the date of our sign. So it's going to be raining in Britain on the date of the sign of Steamboat, September 12th. I mentioned Yiming. He's from London. Yiming Yuan from London. Where is he now? He's in... Well, I'll tell you, he's not in Wyoming. Let's go to the world clock. He's not in London either, but that's where he's from. He's from London. 2/17, February 17 is Jake's birthday. The 17th of February. A Friday. Jake was born on Friday, so was Nathan. So was Martin. The 3 of them were all born on a Friday. London, UK, but where is he now? Where's Yiming? Because he's the boy that's dreaming nightmares, and that's where the demons get there, you know. Well, the thing is, he was tortured, you see. An angel was tortured in Singapore, Yiming Yuan, by the authorities, the jailers. And angels, you might say, but he's no angel, he's naughty, he broke the law. And it's like, yeah, he broke the law, but he has a loving heart. So, he's in jail now. Selwyn is 117. Torture is 117. Singapore time, 9:18, Wednesday, 11th of September 2019. It's the reason torturing people is probably a bad idea. Angels, well, you torture an angel and you put him into the land of nightmares, and his nightmares then get reflected out into the world, and it's not a good situation. So, best just not to do it. It's best to respect free will. Respect free will and be honest. Consent is everything.